Hi, my name is Andy, and I'm going to be putting in the motherboard and the processor and the RAM today. So what you want to do is make sure that the pins, these little slots here, line up on the motherboard. Otherwise, your motherboard is going to end up really bent, and that won't be good. So you just kind of want to slide it into place like I just did, and you're going to take your little screw that goes right here, and you're going to want to screw it in. Make sure here. And voila, there the motherboard is installed. Now I am going to put in the processor. Easy as that. Now, for the RAM, what you're going to want to do is line up this little slot there with a little nub on the chip. That way it doesn't break your RAM. And you just push them in there with 2 thumbs on either side. And voila. And that's how you put in the motherboard, processor, and RAM.
Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'll be doing the heat sink, the fan, and put it on thermal paste. I'm first going to grab myself. This here is the thermal paste, and it helps transfer the heat from the processor to the heat sink. And I'm going to apply it onto the processor. Okay. Next is the heat sink. Okay, so put it in place. Okay. And this here is a fan, and I'm just going to screw it on. Okay, and then next I'm going to plug in the fan into the motherboard. And that's where they go.
Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm going to be putting the CD-ROM drive into the computer. All you have to do is pick it up and insert it into this casing right here, and you're all set to go. Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm going to be putting the CD-ROM drive into the computer. All you have to do is pick it up and insert it into this casing right here, and you're all set to go.
Hi, my name is Brandon, and I will be putting the power supply, hard drive, and all the IDE cables in. First off, you take the hard drive and you place it into its bay. Secondly, this little cord, the CD-ROM drive, make sure it plugs in straight. Secondly, this is the USB cord. And then the hard drive. And the power supply. And you plug the power into the hard drive. Then you plug the power into the CD-ROM. Then you plug this one, the 4-pin connector, into the motherboard. And then this, the USB. And we're all finished.
And now we're gonna test to see if the PC works. So I'm plugging the base. And we plug in the monitor cable. And then next is the power cable. It's plugged into the monitor. And there's a cable for here's a power cable for the PC. Plug it in. And next, you can plug in the keyboard and the mouse. Turn the power. Yep. And once you turn PC on, you usually hear one beep. And that's good. And if you don't hear a beep, you just turn on the monitor and check to see if it's working. If you don't hear that one beep.